This is London with MarketHedge. Let's pay attention to Bitcoin. Quick 1 to 2 minute technical update. This is London, former hedge fund owner. Look at your top level resistance on your candle chart. I want you to draw this down in a parallel channel on your daily chart for Bitcoin. Look at the level of support currently trying to hold. This is the current active level to be reinforced by the bulls. If you're looking for an upside target, I will give you the following. It was an underrepresented in terms of any throwback or pullback. The area that has the biggest lack of a representation in terms of a macro pullback is going to be right in this line at that $100,000 marker. You guys can see we were constructing out a relatively decent descending triangle in this area. If we were to take the specific amplitude and carry down that amplitude, it would give a full expression down to the 82,000. So that's the danger of drawing this line in. But the benefit would be if we look at this just cut loose without any kind of a reinforcement of the preceding level of support here with hit 1, hit 2, these double pivots. We really didn't get that third pivot here. So let's just say that it's an implied pattern. However, that does not change the fact that this level has not yet received any kind of a pullback or throwback to the preceding level of support with the buyers who are currently still trapped right at that $100,000 mark. So to the extent that Bitcoin will provide a break even for those specific buyers who said let's hold 100,000, that is your best upside, immediate upside target for the bulls. So I've given you a level of reinforcement along the bottom which needs to be held. It is that parallel carried down from resistance to support. That's your line to reinforce, and I've given you this upside target that is yet to be fulfilled, that 100,000. You guys know the lines in terms of for hourly, daily, and 4 hour, let's say the 4 hourly and the daily, rather RSI at 30, so oversold on those two different time frames are going to be your pickup levels. We're continuing to hedge in the back. This is London, former hedge fund owner with MarketHedge. Hope you guys are doing well. I want to keep it very, very brief today and get this out to you. We are currently oversold daily. 4 hourly would be a nice pickup. If we can get down below 89K, I'll be entering some additional orders, some stacked orders, and we'll be doing that on MarketHedge. This is London. Shout out to the VIP guys. We'll talk to you soon. Wanted to keep it brief. And yeah, let's check out that $100,000 recoup. Would be a nice level to hit. Check out the rest of the market as well. Things are not looking so bad in terms of non-crypto today. So would be an interesting time for Bitcoin to kick to the upside. Never overexposed, always with heavy cash reserves. This is London with MarketHedge.